In today's video, I'm going to teach you Is Cloudways Shared Hosting? The Honest Architectural Guide 2026. One of the biggest misunderstandings in web hosting happens when people look at Cloudways pricing and assume it must be standard shared hosting. That assumption makes sense at first glance because the entry cost can look similar to hosts many people already know. But the honest answer is simple. Cloudways is not shared hosting. It uses a managed cloud VPS model with dedicated resources, and that creates a very different experience in terms of performance, control, and stability. To understand why, we first need to define what traditional shared hosting really is. In a shared hosting setup, one physical server is packed with a large number of unrelated websites. All of those sites are drawing from the same pool of CPU, RAM, and storage activity. That's where the noisy neighbor problem begins. If another website on the same machine gets a surge of traffic, runs bad code, or consumes too many resources, your site can slow down or even go offline. Even if you did nothing wrong, Cloudways works differently. When you launch a server through Cloudways, you get an isolated virtual private server from cloud infrastructure providers such as DigitalOcean, Vultr, or AWS. Cloudways manages and optimizes that environment for you. But the key point is that the resources assigned to that server belong to your setup. If you choose a server with 2 gigabytes of RAM, that memory is reserved for your workloads rather than being shared with random public websites. This is where another point of confusion comes in. Inside your own Cloudways server, you can deploy multiple applications, such as WordPress sites, online stores, or custom PHP projects. Those applications do share the limits of your personal server, but they are all inside your own environment. That is completely different from traditional shared hosting, where your site is mixed with unrelated customers on the same machine. Because you have a dedicated cloud environment, Cloudways can also provide a stronger optimization stack. Its platform includes tools like Nginx, Apache, PHP, FPM, and Varnish Cache to improve delivery speed. On larger server sizes, you may also get advanced database caching for dynamic sites, which can make stores, membership platforms, and database-heavy pages feel much faster. Before moving a live website, it's smart to validate everything in a test environment. Cloudways offers a free 3-day trial with no credit card required, so you can launch a test server, migrate a copy of your site, open the temporary URL in a fresh incognito window, and confirm that pages load correctly. Check that HTTPS is active and review the server monitoring graphs to make sure resource usage looks stable. So the final takeaway is this. Cloudways is not shared hosting. It's managed cloud VPS hosting with isolated resources, and that distinction matters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.